We're playing what's for dinner.
Uh-huh.
Okay, so we got cheese, meat, and tomato.
What did I say it was called?
Soup.
Soup. Okay. We're having tortilla, chicken, salsa, soup.
And cheese.
Yep. Homemade, from scratch, winged it, and I hope it's good.
Yeah.
Not too much of the cheese in the tortilla. Careful. What do you think? Approval?
Mhm.
What do you give it?
Approval.
You like it?
Uh-huh.
Yep. Okay, I think that looks pretty good. Let me show you the pot. Here we go. Here's the tortilla chicken salsa soup. I did some tortilla chips over there. Salsa, cilantro from the garden, chili peppers from the garden, chicken from the store. And there we go.